obsessed, but tell me what I'm missing here. Okay, here is my goal workbook, right? So just take, for example, Chafee. So I'm at Chafee College and I'm looking at digital net units, right? Plus CU digital units. Okay, that gives me 1,822 combined, right? So now, if I go to my digital, well, I can't anyway. So that's 1,822 combined. So that should be my digital net units. Then if I go to this dashboard, is this the same thing? So it's like CU activation units, which would be the normal like IAC activations or through CU, plus digital sale units not CU. Okay, is that the same thing? Total units sold and activations. When I go through, and if I take, for example, Chafee College, that this is right now, and it takes like some time, but if I go through and I go to this end part here, and I add up everything that's mine right here, and then I subtract the CU ebook and the CU rentals that are mine from here, I get 2130 units. So that's a difference of this shows 308 more units for that one school than this here. What am I missing? And if this is somehow like double units, so where I guess I'm getting the activation plus the sales, what's the fucking point? So tell me what I'm missing here. Thank you. Trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, what's the point in this if this is the combination of activations plus like so it's being double counted? I don't know. I'm trying to just figure this all shit out. I'm kind of annoyed. Thank you so much.